Everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see and listen the real conversation. I want to ask someone or two the student and they will answer the question. Okay everyone, let's take a look.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you this afternoon? I'm very well, thank you. This afternoon, I want to ask someone. Saya mau bertanya kepada seseorang about the daily life tentang kehidupan sehari-hari. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Rizka.
What is your full name?
My full name is Rizkawati.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Ika.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Cendana.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Are you a teacher?
Yes,
Yes, I am.
I am.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Where do you teach? Where school do you teach?
I teach in Praktek.
Okay, good. What is your hobby?
My hobby is volleyball and eat.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is Fanta and Coca-Cola.
Okay. What is your
Oh,
favorite food?
my favorite food is fried rice.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is soft green.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is
Have you married?
Yes, I have.
How long have you been married? How long have you been married?
Now 12 years.
Okay, good. What is your husband's name?
His name is Nasir.
Okay. How many children do you have?
I have one child.
Okay, good. Okay, good. What is how old is your husband?
He 38 years old.
Okay. What is your job?
My job is teacher.
What is your husband's job?
My husband's job is photographer.
What is your religion?
I'm Muslim.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Madi.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Hasna.
Do your parents still alive? Do your parents still alive?
Yes?
Yes.
I do.
Two of them. Dua-duanya.
No.
One.
Mom, mother.
Your mother still alive?
Yes.
Your father passed away. Passed away to meninggal. Passed away. Okay, good. How long have you been teacher?
About 6 years.
Okay, 6 years. How many students do you have?
I have 12.
12 students. 12 students. How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
I go to school by motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Yes.
How far? How far your home to your school?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Yes.
What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school?
I run
Go.
7 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock. Okay, what time do you go home? What time do you go home? Jam berapa? What time do you go home?
12 o'clock.
Okay, 12 o'clock.
Yes.
What time do you go to sleep in the night?
No. 9.
9 o'clock. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Please give a clap.
Is Nur Aini Ahmad.
Okay, what is your nickname?
My my nickname is Noor.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
What is your job?
My job is teacher.
Yeah.
I am a teacher.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30 years 6:30.
6:30.
Yes, 6:30.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on motorcycle.
How many students do you have?
I have 60 students in my school.
How many students do you have at your classroom?
I have 14 students.
Okay, good. What is your religion?
Religion is Muslim.
What is your hobby?
My favorite hobby is singing and then dancing.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Okay. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pen is cat.
Okay. How old are you?
How old?
How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
Have you married?
Yes, I have married.
Yeah. How long have you been married?
No. I forget it.
Okay. What is your husband name?
My husband name is Hendra.
Oh, I think you forget your husband name. How many children do you have?
I have 3 children.
3 children.
Yes, I have 2 sons and then one daughter.
What is your husband's name?
My husband name is Hendra.
What is your husband's job?
His job is driver and the businessman.
Okay, businessman. Yeah.
Yes.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Hasnawati.
Okay, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Ahmad.
Do your parents still alive?
Parents?
Yeah, parents.
No. I still live with my husband in the Philippines home. Yes.
Good. Okay, please.
Okay.
Hi, Siska.
How are you?
I am very well, thank you.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school at 1 second.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
What class are you in?
I am 3 class
With whom do you go to school?
with my friend.
How far your school?
About 100 meters.
What time do you arrive at school?
I arrive at school at 7:10 o'clock.
What do you do at school?
At school study.
Do you like study?
Yes, I do.
What subject do you like?
I like English subject
Why do you like English?
because I want to go abroad.
Okay, Ilham, thank you very much.
I'm very well, thank you.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
What class are you in?
I am third grade.
With whom do you go to school?
My friend,
How far to your school?
about 100 meters.
What time do you arrive at school?
Arrive at school at 7:10 o'clock.
What do you do at school?
At school study.
Do you like study?
Yes, I do.
What subject do you like?
I like English subject
Why do you like English?
because I want to go abroad.
Okay, Rina, thank you very much.
With my